Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio cast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and cat Anindya Banerjee. One more day and one more story of an yield spike. US Treasury bond yields जो कल 4.8 चला गया था नीचे from 5.0203. It has bounced back to 4.95. जिस हिसाब से world's largest bond market is moving around, it's quite alarming. Itna volatility basically shows that it has basically become illiquid in the market. Now, yield जैसे ही spike किया, US stock markets came under pressure. There have been a couple of major corporate results from US overnight, and that was not good, especially from the tech sector. And जिससे कारण we saw the sell-off extend. और आज भी Asian equity markets are all bleeding. Dollar index is higher, and oil prices are hovering near $90. USDINR का same old story, 83.17, 83.18 on the spot. The question is, can it push back towards 83.25, 26 levels, जहाँ पे ये बार-बार जाके अटक जाता है. Even a move towards 83.25, 26 can be an opportunity to take profits on the longs, which we did a couple of days back. Overall, short straddle, short strangle can be continued as long as this range is intact. That is 83 and 83.30 on the spot. In case 83.30 breaks, in spite of the RBI intervention, then it can be termed as a breakout and we could see much higher levels. But as of now, 83.30, 83.32 on the spot is a major resistance. More so क्योंकि RBI remains a major seller near those levels. In fact, RBI remains quite active almost every day in the market, looking to protect the USDINR at every step, not wanting it to climb higher. Now, cross currencies में आज going to be an interesting day क्योंकि there are two important events. कल it was a data light day, except for the fact that the German ZEW economic sentiment was out, which was better than expected, but that did not matter because the rising bond yields took the support under the euro dollar and euro INR. Now, आज we have the ECB monetary policy meeting, the European Central Bank monetary policy meeting. उसके साथ US का advance GDP numbers है, that will also be watched. कल US का जो home sales data था, that was much better than expected. So आज GDP will be extremely important even to watch. अगर वो in line आता है और better than expectation आता है, then it can push the US bond yields well above the 5% mark, taking the dollar index even higher, pushing the euro INR even lower. GDP के अलावा we also have the durable goods numbers, so that will also be important to watch. Or ECB का press conference will be an important thing to watch, but ECB is not expected to change make any interest rate changes in this policy, so it's basically going to be their stance in the press conference, which will be closely watched. Euro INR में the trend is downward, GBP INR maybe the trend is downward. Dollar yen 150.40 के आसपास trade कर रहा है, getting close to that 1 year high of 151.94 जो October of last year it had scored. Now, Bank of Japan, Ministry of Finance in Japan, from all those places, continuous comments are coming that they are watching the rates closely and intervention may happen anytime. But आज का US data is going to be very important. If the data, as I said, is stronger than expected and the yield spike above 5, then I am afraid the dollar yen may not wait and it can also rise towards the last year highs. So it will keep pushing the rates higher till Bank of Japan comes and intervenes in the market. Next week we have the Bank of Japan monetary policy, jahan pe now the talk is coming of a possible tweak to the yield curve which they have. Now, yield curve control policy which they have. Now, if they do a tweak, we will see much higher volatility in next week, but that's around 31st of this month. So that will be a topic which we will discuss next week. आज के लिए US GDP is going to be an important event, as I said. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. Have a fantastic day ahead.